friends, and welcome to another Phonics fun video. Today we're going to continue practicing compound words. Okay, so first, as always, we have our goal. So by the end of this video, you want to be able to say with confidence, I can read and write compound words and use them in my writing. So again, I can read and write compound words and use them in my writing. Okay, so a compound word, again, is when we have two smaller words that are put together to make a new word. So this example I know most of us are familiar with, but if you've been watching the videos from this week, you've seen a bunch of others as well. So this one, we have butter and fly, put it together, it makes the word butterfly. It's two smaller words put together to make a new word. Okay, compound words can look three different ways. It might be one word, it might have a space in the middle, or it might have something called a hyphen, which is just this little dash here. But the ones you need to look out for the most are when it's one word or when there's a space. That'll be the trickiest. Okay, so these are important because we can use parts of the word that we know to figure out the rest of the word. And that's an important skill to use when reading new words or words that might be more challenging. So here's the example I have here. So moonlight, let's say I don't know this word, but I do know the word moon. And I'm looking through this word and I see a word I know inside of it. That's awesome. Then that's where I would start, and maybe I then sound out the rest of the word. Let's say I don't know the word light. I could try to sound that out. So this is another skill that you can use, and that'll be really helpful too. So using parts you know in that word. Okay, but one thing we do have to look out for is words with two syllables. Because these can have the same beats or syllables as compound words, but not all words with two or more syllables are compound words. So the example here is snowman. So hand under my chin. Remember, syllable is a beat in a word, so every time my chin hits my hand, that's a syllable or beat. So snowman. My chin hit my hand 2 times, so snowman has 2 syllables. Let's check out water. Water. 2 syllables. But I know wa isn't a word and ter isn't a word. So if I split that in the middle there, I'll be able to tell which is a compound word and which is not. Remember, compound words are 2 smaller words put together. Which brings us to our practice today. So you are going to find the compound word in the sentence that's given before time is up. I will give you a few seconds to read the sentence on your own, and then I will read the sentence for you. And your job is to find the compound word. All right. Okay, this sentence says, the man was on a sailboat. The man was on a sailboat. Where is the compound word? Okay, time. So the compound word was sailboat. So sail, boat. Those are your 2 words. All right, try this one. Okay, the puppy was in the doghouse. The puppy was in the doghouse. Which one is the compound word? And time. So our compound word was doghouse. First word dog, second word house. Oftentimes, compound words can give you a clue, or the little words in compound words can give you a clue as to what the compound word is or means. So in this case, dog house, it's a house for a dog. So that one word, dog house, means a house for a dog. So the little words can give you clues as well. Try this one. Little hint, there's magic E here. And I'll read. The shirt is inside the room. The shirt is inside the room. Where's the compound word there? Okay, and time. So our compound word was inside. So first word in, second word side. All right, try this one. Okay. I felt a raindrop fall on my hand. I felt a raindrop fall on my hand. And here it is. So our compound word was raindrop. First word rain, second word drop. So it's a drop of rain. Next one. There is a blue fish in the fishbowl. There is a blue fish in the fishbowl. Alrighty, so our compound word was fishbowl. So it's a bowl for your fish, just like doghouse was a house for your dog. All right, Rockstar job, friends. And again, we have a compound word here, Rockstar. Haha. Okay, if we look back through, some of you might have noticed a pattern with our compound words, and that's that the pattern is that it's usually the longest word in the sentence. Okay? Usually it's a longer word. So if you ever come across a longer word when you're reading, or even just a word that you just find tricky, it's always helpful to use that strategy of looking for parts that you know or might know. But with that being said, thank you so much for practicing today and watching. I'm very proud of the work that my friends are doing at home and very proud of the packets I've received and seen. You guys continue to amaze me. I'm so proud of you guys, and I miss you bunches. So continue to be awesome. Much love, and tune in tomorrow for another Phonics Fun video.